Okay, good morning. So today, mag-study ulit tayo, okay? Okay, so here, meron tayong new sound. Look at this. Itatouch ko to and then sasabihin ko yung sound, okay? Listen carefully, okay? Oh. Ah. 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 Oh. Your turn to say the sound kapag tinouch ko, okay? Oh, go.
Ah.
Isa pa?
Ah.
Another one?
Ah.
Okay, very good. Ang sound na yun ay M. Okay. After natin doon, you're going to say all the sounds na in-study natin, okay? Oh, ipapakita ko sa iyo yung mga sounds and then sasabihin mo kung anong sound nun, okay? Oh, first, let's have this one. Ako muna, itatouch ko and then sasabihin mo yung sound. 3 times ha? 3 ulit, okay? Oh, go. Isa pa? Isa pa? Very good. Next, let's have this sound. Very good. The sound is S. And last, yung ngayon.
Ah. Ah. Ah.
Very good. O ano, madali ba o mahirap? Madali, okay. After nun, meron tayong game ulit na say the sounds, okay? Sasabihin natin yung sounds ng mabagal and then sasabihin natin siya later ng mabilis, okay? Sleepy? You say the sound first, man. You say it, the word, man.
Man.
Okay, mabagal lang ha. Man.
Man.
Okay, next, run.
Run.
Isa pa, run. Next, this. This. Next, the word, we. Isa pa, we. Next is the word, she. Isa pa, she. Very good. Now, let's play Say It Fast with these sounds, okay? With these sounds. Okay, hold on. I will touch it, okay? And then sasabihin mo yung sound niya, okay? 1, 2. Sige. Say the sound. Isa pa? Very good. Next. This one. Okay, next. This one.
Ah.
Isa pa?
Ah.
Very good. Now, your turn to say everything slowly and then say it fast. So we're done with that. Okay. And then next, let's have another game. Okay? Dahil madali lang to for you, di ba? Yung sounds ng 3. Madali lang. Now, we're going to play a new game. It's called Say It Fast game. First, you'll say the word that I say slowly. Sasabihin mo yung sasabihin ko, okay? Mabagal lang muna, okay? Antok? Okay, now, say it slowly. Me. Isa pa? Say it fast. Me. Very good. Now, let's say the word man.
Man.
Say it fast.
Man.
Very good. Now, let's say the word if. If. Say it fast. If. Now, let's do those words again. Let's say it again. Me. Say it fast. Me. Say man.
Man.
Say it fast.
Man.
Say we. Say it fast. Say if.
If.
Say it fast. If. Very good. Now, let's have say the sounds, okay? I'm going to say the sounds on the arrow. There we go. Look, listen to me, ha? Iba na to, okay? Okay? Nagets mo? Okay? Nagets mo ba? Ha? This time, I am going to say the sounds. Ikaw ang magta-touch ng ball kapag sinabi ko. Sige, touch mo to. Dali, touch mo. Asan ito? Fingers. And then touch this, okay? Pag ganun. Sige, 1, 2, 3. Isa pa? Ikaw mag-isa. Touch mo. Very good. Now, I'm going to say the sounds on the arrow, okay? And then, this time, I am going to say the sounds and itatouch mo ulit siya, okay? Gaya ng ginawa natin kanina. Alam mo, okay. Touch ulit. Where's your finger? Okay, start ka dito hanggang doon, okay? Wait lang. 1, 2, sa. Isa pa? Isa pa? Sa. Isa pa? Sa. Very good. Now, let's have, you're going to, we're done na. You're going to write the sounds na. Sounds writing na tayo. Anong gagawin nating isusulat na sound? Di yung mga in-study natin today, okay? Get your paper and pen na, and then magra-write tayo, okay? Tara, lapit tayo dito. We're going to write the sounds. Okay lang. Ikaw magsusulat. Ito muna, ako. Isusulat ko dito yung first sound. Look at this.
Kaya ko yun.
What sound? Very good. Trace mo muna and then write. Sige. Gawa ka ng marami. 5. Yes. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last one. Wow. Good writing. Next, here's the next sound na isusulat mo. Look at this. Hey, look at this sound.
What is it?
What sound does it make? Very good. Sige, gawa ka dyan ng 5 ulit.
Maliit?
Yes.
Maliit.
Sige, gawa ka. 5. Sige, gawa ka. 1. Gawa pa. 2. Okay, that's okay. Maganda. Next. 3, 4, and last one. Okay, good writing. Okay, so we're done for today. May natandaan ka ba? Natuto ka ba? Okay, tomorrow ulit ha? Okay, thank you. That will be all for today. Bye-bye.